Okay, first of all, tell me how many of you as a kid were excited to get something free when you buy something? Raise your hand. Okay, there is no raise hand option here. Comment and let me know if you were equally excited like me when you buy something and you used to get something for free. Like with Milo, we used to get that green color ball, and with Boost, we used to get that badminton racket. And just the same way, these trials that we get in Smitten app equally excite me because they are so cute and small samples of the products. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sudha Singitam, and if you are here for the first time, consider subscribing to my channel because I post videos every week related to home, reviews, gardening, food recipes and travel. So once what happened, a very good friend of mine gave me a small bottle of neem oil. She told she is not using it. She gave it to me and she told you can use it. And then it was of a very good brand, and then I asked her, where did you buy this from? And then she told me about this app called Smitten app, and since then I have been using this app, and this app is very easy. You have to download it from Google Play Store, and then once you download it, you have to log in or sign up with your phone number or email ID. As soon as you log in, you get 6 free trials. What are these free trials? There are some products in the trial section. So you get to choose which product you want and you add them to cart. Like while you proceed to checkout, you have to pay $199. Now whatever amount you pay, this $199 will go back to your wallet. So you get that 6 trials for free. Not literally free, but you get them for free because you already have that $199 which you paid back in your wallet. Next time when you shop from the app, from the shop section, so that $199 from your wallet will be used. Me and Sudhi, we both use this app. So I have 2 boxes of Smitten right now at my home. Okay, chalo, let's first unbox the box that Sudhi ordered. So you can see this is the Smitten box. Let's open and see. I have sprayed so much sanitizer on it that it is smelling lemon. Okay, so the first product is this Bombay sandwich chutney. This is from Spice Story, and this is that mint green chutney that we usually apply on sandwiches. The next product is this chili margarita cocktail crystals. These are from Drink Tales, and they can be mixed with your favorite drink. Next one is cinnamon sangria. As you can see, these are the small sample packs. This is also from Drink Tales. Next one is again from Spice Story, the amazing spicy mint sauce. Now what is the difference between mint sauce and the sandwich chutney? The Bombay one maybe a little desi touch, and this mint sauce, I don't know, I have never tasted them. We'll just taste them later, not now. And next, yeah, this is like a small pouch like thing to keep your cards or anything in your purse. In trial session nowadays they have these leather pouches. So this one is a nice leather bag with a zip. The quality is very good, and just imagine all these products we got for free, or say we paid $199 for all these products. Okay, now let's unbox the box that I ordered. Okay, I have heard a lot about this Mamaearth brand, but I have never used it, so I really wanted to try how it is before using it, whether it will suit me or not. So this is the sunscreen, Ultra Light Indian sunscreen from Mamaearth brand. This is the sample pack, and for a sample pack I think it's quite big itself. See, nice na? Next product is again from Mamaearth. It is a vitamin C sleeping mask with vitamin C and aloe vera. Till now I did not care for my skin much. I usually order such products and I don't use, but this time this is a very good brand, Mamaearth. I have heard a lot of good reviews about it, So I'm going to try using it. And next, again same from Mamaearth. This is the onion hair oil for hair fall control. And again this leather pouch, even this comes by default in any of your trial orders. So we already have 3 leather pouches previously. Those were little small, half of the size. Wait, I'll show you how they look. While I was searching for that other leather pouches, I found this one. This box was sent by Smitten on Women's Day, and there came some goodies in this. Not the trials that I ordered, they just sent it just like that. There is this Petal Soft Anti-Tan Rose Face Pack, and it is from the brand Just Herbs. I haven't even opened the seal, but I'll soon use this one also. And then there is this 8-in-1 Root Nourishing Amla Neem Shampoo from the same brand, Just Herbs. You see how small the sample is, but when you go out for traveling or something like that, these products will be really useful, easy to carry. They'll not take much space in your bag and you can take them for travel. And this is from the brand Plum. It is a face mist and it smells really nice. And previously I have ordered many such body mists, face mists from Smitten app, and I didn't use them. And what I did is, these samples that are there, I use them as a room freshener or washroom freshener. I just spray on anything and you'll have the entire space smelling so cute. Yeah, and this is the leather pouch I was talking about. This one is a smaller one and there is Smitten written over it, but I love this color, a sky blue color one. And I have same like this, I have in black and brown colors. And if you see, these leather pouches are little bigger in size. So imagine we are getting all these products for free. So obviously we need shampoos, body washes and other stuff. So why purchase it from anywhere else? We can just purchase them from Smitten app and instead get again 6 trials added. So whenever we do a purchase, we get trials back. And again, when we try, we get the $199 cash back to the wallet. I just love this app. Do let me know in the comment section if you like this video. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll soon come up with a video next week. So till then, you take care.